So, as you notice, my video randomly cut. That is not from my phone dying. God damn it. Wow, I can't believe that actually worked. No, my friend actually called me, and my thing just ends. My video just ended, and that was about it of that. So that's why that video is 7 minutes long. And let's go to this weapon. He's been calling back, which is kind of irritating, since, you know, that means he might call back when I'm recording again. I told him about that. He laughed. That was funny. It's not funny. Kind of annoying for me, technically. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why the hell is there another one of you? Hiya! 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 Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh, I'm the master dodger of this universe, so suck my dick, bitch! Oh shit, I got hit. Aw. Boom! And throw over there, throw right here, throw right here, throw right there, and let's go. Start shooting. Start shooting like a madman. Doop, doop-a-doop-a-doo, right in the face. Die. 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 Doop-a-doop-a-doo. There we go. Oh, you gotta shoot off my shield. What the hell? I don't shoot off your shit now, do I? And boom. Motherfuckers, suck my dick. Alrighty. So I'm down to my last shield, which kind of blows. I might need to buy new weapons, because my weapons are becoming seemingly obsolete. Except for the ninja stars. Ninja stars will never leave my inventory. The lantern would. Where am I supposed to go? Over here. What the hell was that? Oh, that was probably my turret exploding. So yeah, my friend called. It was kind of random and slightly irritating. Most because my phone does, you know. Wow, this gun is fucking wrong. Ow. Fuck you guys. I'm gonna kill you all. So suck it. Oh shit. 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 Where's it? Yeah. If I remember correctly, you have to use nothing but these robots. So, you know. Kinda wanna keep making sure you switch at the last second if you remember. Is that for me? Is that somewhere over here? Or, yeah, there it is. Bloop. Oh, we're inside a place now. Cool. Finally, some ammo, some good luck. Don't judge me. Cool. So continue. Let's see. What the hell? Die! Oh crap. God damn it. What the? There's more of you. Really? Is this necessary? This is fucking necessary. Fucking necessary. I'll keep throwing my damn sword. Fucking assholes. Alright then, so we know for a fact that everyone here is a dick. Now load has the Zodiac. Don't really want you. Cool, try out the plasma coil. Hopefully it doesn't suck balls. Because I did spend 150 grand on this weapon. So what did it say? We're probably getting close. I'm not exactly sure what that did. It didn't seem like it did anything worthwhile. Can I have a plasma coil? There we go. Oh, shit. Bye-bye. It's an alright weapon, I guess. Oh, oh man, that was funny. Oh, my shield went down again. And, oh shit, how the hell did they die? Alrighty then, that could suck very fast. Please, may I remind you guys, what the fuck? Stop respawning. Where the hell you guys keep coming from, and why the hell do you keep respawning over and over and over and over and over and over and over? Damn it, I'm low on ammo again. Can't see. Ah, for the love of God, man. Can't believe I'm already low on ammo again. What the hell? Like, literally, what the living hell? No, you think for a mini nuke to be a lot stronger than it is, but it's not. Nah, fuck this. I'm gone. I'm out of here. I don't have to deal with this shit. I have no obligation to stay there constantly while I keep doing the exact same thing over and over and over again. Okay, this is just a little unnecessary. Itchy, itchy, itchy. As you know, I'm not too happy about this game. No, click that one. Oh, for love of God. Well then, let's watch as my turret cause devastation hell to everything alive. Well, as this one does nothing, of course. Go, turrets of hell and destruction! Kills my enemies with thy rage. Didn't work. Yeah. Fuck you. Still 1700 volts. Plasma coil? Nope, blitz cannon. Oh, for fuck's sake. Well, it's just stars, so. For Christ's sake, there's so many of you fucking assholes. Why is it so necessary at all? No. Go. Cool. What? Fire! Stop with the spawning and the end of the blah and do. It's really unnecessary. Cool, are we done? Can I fucking finally do shit? Oh, that was annoying. Am I allowed to cry? Am I allowed to cry like a little woman? That was close. That was very close, because I'm getting kind of annoyed. You know what? Drown. All you do is drown. Just drown in the water. How in the hell do I get to that one? Does it make a difference? Doesn't seem like it does. How in the hell do I get to that? Oh, goddamn, that's close. Don't fuck with me, I'm not in the mood. That's kind of annoying, because this area seems to have too much shit than necessary. Oh, wrong weapon. I should probably get across first. Whoa, now it's close, I guess. Oh, man. What else do I have left? The lava gun. So irritating. No, Ratchet, aim at the thing. Cool, I destroyed it and I got hurt in that reason. Woo! Oh man, you know, this is so much fun, you know, just getting your death and I'm complaining like a little baby, but I don't care because you know, I'm just near death so often I just have to stop giving a damn about most things and buying back all my ammo. Sure. My shield still better be there, I swear to God. Oh, that was close. What'd that do? Oh. Oh, okay. Cool. This place sucks and it knows it. Oh, what should I do? There's so many of you. Why? Why is this necessary? Like, really, what is the reason for this? Why does it have to be 10,000 of you fucking assholes here just to bother me? Still an anti increase. Too bad it doesn't mean for shit, you know, when I'm surrounded by 1,000 tons of guys and I don't have the best armor because I can't afford it. Just stop living! All of you, just stop coming back to fucking life. This is ridiculous. Just take a hint and stay dead. Oh my god, for fuck's sake. No, I'm not gonna care. I'm just gonna keep going.